Hi, I'm Aaron from Classic Vacuum, and I have a list of product improvements and some features of the R27D. Here we are, the new Riccar R27D Deluxe Clean Air Upright Vacuum featuring HEPA filtration. So it will also have an 11-foot reach on the cleaning hose. It filters 99.97% of all dust and allergens. They changed the bumper to a white material so it doesn't mark your furniture. It comes backed up by a 3-year warranty and a lifetime belt. Attachments included are the natural bristle dusting brush, upholstery tool, and crevice tool. The R27D features updated filtration over the R25. The bags are compatible, R27 and R25, but they've went to a better material. It just feels a little thicker, maintains better performance as the bag fills, great filtration. Also, they've updated the filter here. This is a carbon charcoal filter. It's granulated carbon charcoal to absorb odors, as well as the bag. You see it has those black marks. That is also, it's impregnated with carbon charcoal to absorb odors and gases. Before, they didn't have this filter on the Deluxe version, so that's upgraded. And then as well as HEPA filter on the side. The R27 series now features a sleek new look with the black wand to match that of the hose. The furniture guard is now translucent. Before it was black. Why that matters? It helps prevent it from marking. So whether you have a white baseboards or black baseboards, in either case, there should be no marking left behind if you bang up against the wall or a piece of furniture. Riccar has beefed up some of the internal components, which are some things they've learned over the years. They have an upgraded thermal reset as well as an upgraded PCB inside the machine. Everything else that was great about the R25 series, including the bare floor cleaning ability, the metal brush roll with replaceable brush strips, all those features still apply here to the Deluxe model. So they haven't reinvented the wheel. They just kind of refined it a bit. Thanks for watching my video on the R27D. That was just some of the new improvements they made, as well as, again, keeping all the old good stuff that was on the R25. They've just made it better on the R27. If you have any questions or you notice something, give us a comment, call, an email, and just let us know what you think. And we do answer the comments if you leave them there on the video. And you can also visit us on our website, classicvac.com, or in one of our 2 locations in North Canton and Worcester, Ohio. Thank you.